Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom.
Oh my god.
I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like
Think so.
they're calling. Don't lose your
Yeah.
youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, doesn't it?
See?
Oh, let's go.
Let me change this.
It's a beautiful day because we are in Hawaii. Every day is a beautiful day in Hawaii. By the way, this flower smells so good. For you, Jacob.
That's not our Jeep, by the way.
No, it's not. It's a rental car. Like seriously, it's a rental Jeep. Okay. Is it a recipe video or is it vlogging? By the way, so this is the tomato kimchi recipe we just filmed. Looks delicious. I'm gonna put it in the container, but I'm gonna serve this with the recipe that I'm about to make right now. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. I'll wash my Thai chili. Ooh.
Hawaiian chili.
I keep saying Thai chili. Hawaiian chili. I'm not in Thailand.
And if
Wake
you guys
up.
are curious where we got this pottery, Trinity made it.
Trinity made it. How cute it is. Trinity, if I showed you this much, you should make me second one already. Make me another one. So I just made the tomato kimchi. If you haven't watched that one, go watch it right here. And now I'm making, come over here, pancake, Korean savory pancake with the chive that I harvested today. There's a lot, so I decided to use some. Oh no, I didn't mean to put onion here. Onion was for the dipping sauce. You could add onion in the pancake, but that's not what I was going. So anyways, I'm just gonna cut the chive into about 1 to 2 inch long pieces, and zucchini. So cut zucchini about same size as the chive. I know, I'm impressed with my knife skill too every day. Just kidding. Did you just notice, Jacob? I'm pretty far away from a humble personality. So the vegetable ratio, honestly, is really not that important because you can use only chive or only zucchini and only onions or mix it with onions and zucchini and peppers, like however you want to do. Whatever you feel like that day, whatever you're in the mood, right? Or whatever your vegetables you have. And since I got some kkaetnip earlier too, I'm actually gonna add this too because I love kkaetnip. And kkaetnip is hard to find for you. You can use basil or just completely skip it. Don't have to use it. Korean pancake, savory pancake is all about what you got in your refrigerator. My vegetables for pancakes change every single time when I'm making. Hawaiian chilies, because I love my pancakes spicy. You can use a jalapeno, serrano, or Thai chili, Hawaiian chili, whatever you like. So we will keep eating these Mad Hatter peppers. We grew them. So I made this whole entire thing, and Jacob, come over here. How about you apologize? Explain what happened.
I'm sorry I didn't turn on the main camera. We had some technical difficulties, and on the last time I forgot to hit record.
Get out! So anyways, what I did is added equal part of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients with Korean savory pancake powder. So I added 2 cups of this and 4 tablespoons of this Korean frying mix powder. For the ratio, you can actually read right here because they tell you exactly what to do. So I don't even know why I'm making this recipe video right now. So anyways, because in Korea, no one measured this. Because you don't know how much vegetable you need to get rid of from your refrigerator. I've been heating up my cast iron pan. Add some oil on your pan. So you can make the pancakes small or large, really depends. And it doesn't have to be like a perfect circle because it's never meant to be that way. Cook the pancake medium low to medium heat, 3 to 4 minutes each side. So in Korea, while we are making the pancake, we eat the same time. And to eat Korean pancake, you need a dipping sauce. So a lot of you asked me about the dipping sauce, and I actually shared the recipe about a year ago in Dallas when I was making a potato pancake recipe. So check it out right here. And I'm gonna actually grab one that I already have in my refrigerator. Ta-ta. And a lot of you asked me, what do you do when this juice is left? What do you mean, what do you do? Just add more vegetables, like that. And then I'm gonna actually add more peppers. And I do have this recipe on my cookbook too. Let me show you. 양파장, pickled onion and chili dip. 1 onion diced, 2 chili sliced, half a cup soy sauce, half cup agave nectar, maple syrup or rose sugar, half cup rice vinegar, quarter cup water. So Hawaiian chili is really great for the kick of spiciness, but I also like the crunch of chili, so I like to mix super spicy chili like Hawaiian or Thai chili and serrano or jalapeno. I will reuse maybe 2, maybe 3 times, but not more than that, because you are keep taking the saltiness from the soy sauce and the vinegar and the sweetness, because onions and chilies absorb the flavor, and they keep releasing their water to the liquid. So you cannot do like 12 times or 5 times. And they are always better the next day, because onion is pretty spicy still and pungent. And don't mind this old onions and mixing with this new one. Wipe off the edge of the container like what mama said all the time and close it, and this is ready to keep in the refrigerator again. Ay, 예쁘다. And you just serve it like this and enjoy.
Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free.
Dripping everywhere. 맛있지? 맛있지? Guys, if you liked my chive pancake recipe, honestly it's just a vegetable pancake. I just happen to use a chive today because I just harvest them, a lot of them today. But if you liked my chive pancake, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic Asian plant-based recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I just want to use my hand, whatever. With my tomato kimchi. Woo! Oh my god. This is right. Our blood is cleaned up after this meal. 맛있어. So good. So good. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.